Financial freedom is the ultimate goal we all want in life, the freedom to no longer worry about money. Some of us are born with it, and others have to wait until they retire. But most of us want to reach it as quickly as possible. Today, we'll take a closer look at the 7 stages of financial freedom and what's required for each step. The first stage is awareness. In this stage, it's crucial to understand your current financial situation and set your financial goals. Take a look at your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. The second stage is financial independence. This is the stage where you have a reliable and consistent source of income that can support you and your family's daily needs. This could come from a job, freelance work, or passive income streams. The key is to have enough income to live on your own terms and not be dependent on anyone else. The third stage is breathing space. This is when you have some money left after paying your bills and living expenses. Having breathing space means that you can start to build an emergency fund or invest in assets that will grow your wealth over time. It's important to keep a portion of your income each month for financial growth, instead of just paying bills and going out. This is the only way to progress to the next stage. Many people get stuck between stage 3 and 4. The fourth stage is stability. At this stage, you should have an emergency fund with 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. You should also be debt-free and have no fear of losing your job. With stability, you have peace of mind, knowing that you can handle unexpected events and emergencies. The fifth stage is having a financial buffer. This stage involves saving 2 years' worth of living costs that you have easy access to. This financial buffer gives you the freedom to take a break from work or even take a year off if you need to. It also protects you from any financial setbacks or issues. You are semi-free, but not completely. You still need to keep doing some work. The sixth stage is financial freedom. This is the stage where your assets generate enough monthly income to replace your salary. You can choose to quit your job if you wish, as your investments and passive income streams provide enough money to support your basic lifestyle. This could come from rental income, dividend payments, or other forms of passive income. The final stage is abundance. This stage is where you have more than enough money coming in, and your wealth is growing at a rate that protects you from inflation. Your assets generate growth that ensures your financial security, even if you're no longer working. This stage of financial freedom allows you to live the life you want and pursue your passions without worrying about money. This journey takes time, but by being aware of your financial situation, consistently saving, investing and planning for the future, you can achieve the goal of financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and until next time.